how to add email address to Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new email address to your Facebook account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app, then select the menu button in the top left next to Facebook. And once the menu opens, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Once that opens up, select Settings, and then in the settings, select Accounts Center at the top. Once in Account Center, select Profiles and Personal Details. Then if you go to the bottom, you'll see Contact Info, select that. And then all you need to do is select Add Email at the bottom. Once in Add Email, just go ahead and enter the new email address you want to add right here where it says Enter Email. Then just make sure that your Facebook account is selected right there and select Next. It's then going to send a code to your email where you need to get that code. And that email will look like this. So go ahead and get that code, go back to the Facebook app, and then just enter that code in and then select at the bottom. And then once you enter the code, it'll bring you back here and let you know that that code has been entered and added to your account. So select Close. You'll then see it in the list here. You have an old email address. You can go ahead and just select that and then delete it if you want to remove that from your Facebook account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.